is Brittany Del B. Mariano and I am 11 years old. What's your name?
Mat.
How old are you?
5.
And this is my cousin Mat. So we're gonna speak Tagalog. Tagalog ah. And this is the one that we're gonna color. This is me and this is my side and this is his side. Are you ready? Let's go. Who's first? Bato pick. Bato pick. Okay, you're first. Cause talo ka. Here's my colors. This is my colors and I bought it on Shopee. It's only 430 pesos and it's 120 pieces. Go na. Go start. This one choose ka na ng color. Ito gayahin mo to Yan, this is yung pink. Ayan yung pink. This one, okay? This one, ayan pink. And yung hair niya is gold.
Gold.
Ayan ayan yung hair niya Maybe blonde. She's blonde. Go. This one. Choose another What's that? What color is this? This one. What color is this? Pink. What color is this?
Pink.
This one.
Orange.
Go color. This one is your side. What about her skin color? What color? Skin color. That one? Are you sure? Go color na. Let me help you. I will gonna help you. Cause he can't open it Go, hold. Tagalog naman Nag-English ako go. Ito gamitin mo. Go. Kulayan mo yung hands niya. Kalawete. Now he's done. And the next color is what? What color is that?
Orange. I smell.
Pinili niya yung onting side lang para madali. Yan pa yung hair sa baba. Next color. What's next? What's that? No, this one pink. Gamitin mo yung pink. Hindi mo sinasala ng maayos Hindi pa tumutunog sa dress niya. Yung pa hair niya Hindi mo kanalayan. Kasi ito pa yung skin niya Ayun yung skin niya.
Buhok din yan.
Hindi yun buhok. Ito Nandito na yan Go. Next, this one. This one pa dress. Next, yung hair niya. Ito pa, sa baba. Hindi pa nakasara, oh. Go. Skin color. Press it on the table. Like this. Ayun. Speak Tagalog. Magsalita ka naman.
Hello.
Next, skin color. No, the other one. Go. Yan guys, patapos na siya. I'm done. My turn. Sada mo. Nagsalita ka naman, di ka nagsasalita. Ayaw niya magsalita. Nahiya. Dito ka na. It's my turn, guys. Dito ka. Hold this phone. Sit ka.
Kiss me.
Ganyan mo lang. Tapat mo dito sa drawing. Kailangan kita yung ginagawa ko. Kahit galaw-galaw mo.
Dito na ako.
And say hi. Salita ako naman.
Hi.
Ano?
Hi.
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 Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Please like and subscribe.
I can subscribe to you.
And guys, I'm gonna pick the hair color. And this hair color is, I think it's blonde or not. But I think it is blonde. So I'm gonna choose a light yellow. Okay. And lemon yellow and this marigold. And then I'm gonna choose her skin color. Maybe this one. Oh wait. Wait. I'm gonna use this. Maybe the Milky White. Milky White 132. Where's Milky White? Oh, here. And I'm gonna color the dress with maybe peach and tender pink and maybe a darker one, rose pink. Let's go color. Let's go. So first I'm gonna color her skin color using this Milky White number 132. Let's go. There you go. She's so beautiful. And now for the next is her hair color. Matt, can you please hold the camera like that? Thank you. And now I'm gonna use this 38 pale yellow. Wait. Number 38 pale yellow. Lapit mo. Lapit mo sa ginagawa ko.